like makeup, most likely you're a girl or a makeup artist or even something in between. But it doesn't matter, I got you here. Most likely you like beauty and dress up. Whether you are going to a special occasion or just your day-to-day or even a date. And of course, you always like to try and buy some cosmetics like lipsticks, eyebrow, and you know the other. So today in this video, I will share with you what are the Chinese names of cosmetics so that makeup shopping for you would be like a breeze and you will get what you want. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's start with makeup, 化妆品 cosmetics. These words will come in handy because especially you're looking for them to buy, whether it's online or offline. You can even source in China with a very good cost price, and you can sell it where your market is. Okay, let's go over our cosmetics. 隔离霜 sunscreen, 粉底液 liquid foundation, maybe. Eyebrow, 睫毛膏 mascara, 眼线笔 eyeliner, 眼线液 liquid eyeliner, 定妆粉 finishing powder, 遮瑕膏 concealer, 腮红 blusher, 高光 highlighter, 化妆刷 cosmetic brush, 口红 lipstick, 卸妆油 cleansing oil, 洗面奶 cleanser, 润肤水 toner, 精华液 serum, 晚霜 night cream, 日霜 day cream, 眼霜 eye cream.
So, what have you learned? If our video has helped you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you have any video topics you want to watch in our upcoming videos, leave your comment below because we will create for you. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscriber bell button below. And if you think the video can benefit to someone, please share our video to them so that we can help more and more Chinese learners on their Chinese learning journey. And I will see you on our next videos. Bye bye.